Okay, folks, this is 14B. What I want to do is just show you the process or work through the process that I use to try and find the rule. Now, what we're trying to do is work out what the relationship is between row B and row X. Okay? What do we need to do to B to turn it into X? All right? Input, output. Now, anytime you've got ones or zeros, it's always tricky, okay? So I like to actually ignore, whenever I see a 1 or a 0, I just ignore it. I act like it's not even there until I want to check my rule, okay? So I'm just going to go straight to these ones here and just forget about the 1 for a moment, okay? Now, I'm going to start with maybe subtract 1. So B subtract 1, which works there, but if I go B subtract 1, it doesn't work. So I've tried it and it's wrong. So let's maybe go to this one here. Maybe you can subtract 3. So is it B subtract 3? Well, then you go back to here and it doesn't work here. So that one's wrong as well. So maybe I start thinking maybe I need to use more than 2 operations. So let's look at 3 and 2. If I multiply 3, that's going to give me a big number. Okay? Maybe if I multiply 3, let's go 3 times 2. Well, 3 times 1 is 3, take 1. Okay, let's look at B times 2, take 1. Times 2 is 6. Oh, no, that's not going to work. So that's wrong. What can I do? Oh. Maybe I can divide something. Maybe I can divide something. No, that's not going to work either. Uh-oh. What can we do? Or maybe I can add something to B. So let's try B plus 1 divided by 2. So B plus 1 is 4, divided by 2 is 2. So it works there. B plus 1 is 8, divided by 2 is 4. Oh, I might be onto something here. Okay, so let's just have a look. Now I'm going to substitute a value of B into here. All right, so I'm going to get the 3 plus 1 divided by 2 equals X. Now, something tricky I need to do, because if I just write this down here in as an equation, BIDMAS tells me I need to divide by 2 first. I need to do 1 divided by 2 first. But I don't want to do that. I actually want to add the 1 first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a bracket around there to make sure that this gets done first, then the division. Okay, so I'm going to put my bracket here because I want to add the 1 first. So I need to do my bracket as per BIDMAS. So I'm going to do my bracket first, and I hope we can see that, yes. Bracket first, which is 3 plus 1 is 4, divided by 2 equals 2. So that one works, okay? So it gets 1 tick.
Could you please move your camera down a bit?
There we go.
Yeah.
Sorry, folks. Okay. I'm going to try it now with the 7. So I'm going, where I see the B, I'm going to substitute the 7 in, and I'm really going to run out of room down here. So I've got a 7 plus 1 divided by 2. 7 plus 1 is 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So we've got a 7 and a 4. And 7 and 4 works. So this is actually our equation that we need to use. Okay, so hopefully that little exploration into my thought processes helps. All right, it really is just a matter of trying to think about where you can go next. Okay, if this doesn't work, what other options do I have? Okay, hope that helps.